Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. It's January 13th, and we're off and running in 2022, Jimmy.
I know half the month's almost gone already.
Yes, it is. Yeah, yeah. And I'm still getting dressed. So, Ruthie rocks. Ruthie Allbrand, another day in paradise. Jimmy's with us. Great, Jimmy. And
Are
we're
we
having
on? Is the show on?
yeah,
Are
the
we on?
show's on.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
we're
Okay,
on,
cool.
man. We're
All right,
on.
good, good.
Yeah, we're on.
Okay,
And
good.
yeah, I just want to see if I can't show everybody. Come on, move with me. Move. There we go. Nope, that's you. Come on, we're trying to move there we go. We're having a class today. You can still sign up. It's negotiating, and it's one of my favorite classes because one of the values that we offer our clients is our negotiating skills. And Jimmy, you have put together a fantastic class. You are a student of Chris Voss. You are a student of negotiating tactics and strategies. So talk a little bit about it. Maybe we can get some more people to sign up today.
Well, I'm glad you brought up Chris Voss because he has a master class that I signed up for that I took the first lesson this on Friday, 6 days ago. And he covered things that I've seen him cover before, but he went into a little bit more in depth of when you would use them and how you would use them, techniques to he just basically demonstrated it. He actually did a role play with a lady and he talked to her about what was important to her. And by asking the questions and repeating and mirroring back to her, when he got all done, he asked her, he said, "How many questions did I ask you?" And she said, "I don't think you asked me any." And he didn't. He didn't ask her any questions. He just repeated what she said, and then she would expand on it. And then he would repeat something from there, and she would expand on it. And it was really interesting to watch him do this because usually we talk about the person asking the questions is the one in control of the conversation.
Exactly.
And he controlled the conversation by just repeating what she said and really getting her to open up. It was very interesting to watch.
That's very good. And I know when we're real estate agents, Tom Ferry has all those questions. And when you were playing that last week in one of our classes, I was thinking, I tend to repeat myself. So
What does
maybe
that mean? What do you
I'm
mean?
an unconscious competent.
Uh-huh. So you have some of the scripts down, is what you're saying. You know
Yeah.
what to say and how to say it. There you
I
go.
just didn't know I should.
You're skilled. That's called skill when you can do that.
So Jimmy, today we're going to talk a little bit about it's going to be a quick show. I told everybody we're going to be like whizzing through it today. So I'm still learning how to rearrange these things. It'll take me a few times. Hold on. No, this won't rearrange at all. Let me hide you for a minute. Okay. So we have 20 days of inventory. It's going down. It's going the wrong way, but I trust it's going to come back. We are selling 91 homes a day. Beginning of the year, we were down in the 80s. Now we're up in the 90s. But we did list 96 homes. We put 111 under contract, though. So the closings were 69. So we maintained 20. We have 31 homes that are under 430 and under, and that we just listed. And we have 546 total homes, 430 and under available, 546, excuse me. And I'm trying to rush too fast today. I've got to be between here and Sahara, do the show and be there for class at 10. So sorry, I'm going too fast. The investors are still buying homes, which is really good because we have renters coming in. We just can't seem to keep our property management rentals on the market for more than a week. And so that market is still very healthy. And so I'm happy that investors, non-owner occupieds, are still selling. And that's about it. We're doing better than last year. So I suspect that this year is going to continue to outperform last year. That would be my guess.